Okay, this is 11,500 pound stock tractor pull, correct?
Yes.
What are we in?
Tractor pull.
Yeah, 11,500 pound John Deere 4230. Now this is a stock tractor pull. Watch this. Let's see how stock this is. The one in front. Now, that guy, he blew more smoke than a, I don't know.
Truck deal?
Nah, I don't know, more smoke than a chimney at this point. Here he comes. He's winding it up. This is a stock tractor now. He's got dual power in that 9,000. He's out of power. Oh, I don't know. Is that a power shift? Uh-oh, something happened. Yeah. That's his father.
What?
That was his dad. I think it was his dad. Yeah, that's stock, okay. I love that. You know, my tractor's never burned like that stock. How about you? You ever see our tractors blow smoke like that?
No.
No, me neither. Yeah, I'm thinking somebody had their hands in that injector pump.
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyways, if you're going to have a stock class, I think you should make them stock. Somebody should be over there and saying, hey, you know, I don't think so. I don't think so. But whatever, if they want to cheat, that's fine. Let them cheat. They can go home and pat themselves on the back for cheating. It's fine. I don't mind. Right, Tim? Right, Tim?
Yeah.
Were you engrossed in that video game?
No, I'm putting pictures on Facebook.
Pictures on Facebook. Oh my God, you can't wait till you get home?
Mike Medigus.
Okay.
One hot running John Deere.
It's really unstable.
All right, here it comes, Mikey Medigus. If he takes it, he'll come back. Okay, Jimmy.
That's right. It just depends on who spent more money.
One gear too high, I think. Here he goes. Whoa, 269 at 7, Jimmy. Just a little short of Mike.
Oh well.
All right, we just gave Mark Medine his trophies up here. Him and Wes have been cleaning up today. Here we go.
Whoa! Nothing.
Good, but not good enough. 273 and 7 for Robert.
I smell.
John Deere got him beat.
Back in the 60s.
She was gone for the parking lot.
Mark Bodine.
Amazing, a 13,500 tractor pulling a 54,000 pound sled with the spikes down, the pan down, and kept right on going. All right. Hey, Marissa, that a girl. So far, you're still in it. We ain't over yet.
Come on, Mark.
Here we go. We got Mark Medine on this. Mark Medine, that's a good running tractor. International 1086. He cleaned out the barns today, brought everything they had.
Nope, run out of power.
Plate. Joey stopped at 267.4. Terminating.
Better bring it down a bit.
Oh boy. Not quite. 285.
Tinted windows.
Okay.
I wonder if
Joey Cooper.
the cops pull you over for that.
Lambertville.
Nope. Come on.
Bill's Corner's finest. There he comes. Got it humming. Where is Joey? We can't see Joey. Wave, Joey. We can't see you. Where is he?
He's
Oh
about to
my
be
gosh.
terminated.
Cooper Farms twerking. Little too late. Too little too late, Joey. Good pull.